to everyone that's out there. Happy Monday. I hope everyone is enjoying their Monday, whether you're at work or at home. Hey, Marie Jo. If you can just let me know where you guys are tuning in from. I just wanted to make an announcement. Hey, Florence, is that we're having a meeting tonight, a webinar for Impact Mailing Club. The promotion is currently still going on, and I'm going to just give you guys a little bit of information about Impact Mailing Club. Hey, Maria. Thanks for happy Monday, guys. Yes, let me know where you're tuning in from. Hey, Tanya. I got some envelopes that came in the mail. I'm going to just open a few because we're going to be on this webinar, which is going to be in approximately about 15 minutes. So for those that don't know, I've been doing, hey Tanya, I've been doing direct mail since 2016, earning a full-time income with it, AKB. And what we do is, everything is good here in New York, guys. For you guys that don't know, I'm here in New York, but we're staying safe. For the most part, I'm in the house, and I've been working from home for quite some time, so it's nothing new, but not being able to really go out much, that's about it. But New York is a little tough out here, but we're getting through it. Hey, Kevin, thanks for tuning in. So I have one payment that came in here, and we're going to just open this up. We have a webinar tonight, so if you guys can join me, that'd be great. Joyce from Michigan came in at the Ruby level and joined someone on my team, and I received a $50 payment and 2 books of stamps. Also, I sent out packages today, so if anybody is waiting for a package from me that you would have received if you joined the Impact Mailing Club for the promotion, it went in the mail today. Today I did my errands. I ran around and got some work done today, and I made it to the post office, okay? Yes, absolutely, Roger. Yeah, we're being safe here, and everyone is pretty much staying in for the most part. Everything's being sprayed down, and we're just pretty much taking it day by day here. Okay, let's see what else we have. I have another envelope that came in from Miss Cat. Miss Cat, I received your payment. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Okay, we have a payment here from Catherine. Catherine came in at the Sapphire level, which automatically bumped her up to the Diamond level. So I received a $300 payment. Here's the $300 and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Catherine. Glad to have you a part of the team. So whenever someone joins the opportunity, I'm just cover up for information. What you'll receive is a form that looks like this. And this form is going to consist of who you're going to pay and how much you're going to pay them. Right now, at the promotion level for Ruby, which is $250, you're automatically bumped to the $500, which is the Sapphire. At the Sapphire, you automatically bump to the Diamond. Diamond normally costs $2,000 to get in, but when you come in during a promotion, you're only going to pay $500, and that's going to take you to the Diamond level. For those who come in at the Diamond level, it's going to be automatically bumped up to the Double Diamond, which allows you to collect unlimited $2,000 payments. Guys, these are all one-time payments to get started, and you're able to collect unlimited once you send in your payment along with your stamps, and it is confirmed by the company, okay? So, and then I have another money order in here, and this is for someone that requests a physical package. So I am sending out physical packages as well. That includes a calendar, 200 copies of your, 100 copies of your cover letter that will go in the mail. You would send that information out with this form, and as people sign up, it has really simple instructions on what to do to get started. Okay, this is how you get paid. So they're just checking off the level that they want to get paid at, and they're going to send payments to the name that's in box number 1, box number 2, and box number 3. I've been doing this since May of last year, and it's still going strong. Not only that, I love the owner and also the customer service that comes along with it. Okay, so nope, this is not fake. I've been doing this. Here's the payments that came in. Christina, you don't have to tune in if you think it's fake. You could tune into someone else's live. Here's the payments that I received. I've been doing this again since 2016. So we are going to have a webinar that's going to be this evening, and that actually starts in 8 minutes. So if you're interested, the information will be in the comments section below, and you will be able to come on and talk about how the opportunity works, what to expect when you get started, what you need to do in order to market the opportunity, how to market the opportunity properly, and not only that, you can also get involved with the community. We have a Facebook group for paid members and also a Facebook group for prospects. So if you're looking to just get more information, you can do that as well. So I just want to let everybody know what's still going on. I know I wasn't around last week because I was working on a lot of other things, just with my daughter with schooling. You know, it's been a lot. So I've been pretty much working on that, and I hope that everyone is out there staying safe. Still work on your business. I know it may be hard because a lot of us are at home, and when you're not used to doing certain things, when you know that's not a part of your daily schedule, it's a little bit tough. But I want people to stay consistent, stay inspired. When you start working on your business, I always tell people you have to give this at least 3 to 6 months to start seeing it actually take off, and you have to work on your business consistently. Most of the people that are saying that this does not work have not stayed in the game long enough. In the beginning, I thought the same thing. I thought that it was a scam. I didn't think that you could really make money online or offline, but I was willing to put in the work because I wanted to see if consistency was really the key. And that's the thing. The average person is going to quit their opportunity within the first 30 to 45 days. Most people that join an opportunity are not making it past the first 30 days, okay? Which means they're not putting in enough footwork, or they're not staying active long enough in order to see the results that they're looking for, okay? This is not multi-level marketing. This is affiliate marketing, okay? And what you do is you get paid from not just your efforts, but the efforts of your team by mailing out the form that is provided to you from the company. And again, I do send out everyone additional forms that they can put in the mail with their order form. And I give people a step-by-step marketing blueprint that you can follow to see results. You have to have a blueprint. If you don't have a blueprint, you're not going to earn consistently. Most people are coming into business and they're trying to wing it. They're trying to see if it works, but they're not being consistent and they're not doing the things in order to make their business work. I get multiple electronic payments because you can also take electronic payments on top of payments like this, okay? You can also get money orders, cash, cashier checks. People send MoneyGram all the time. And not only that, a lot of people pay electronically that want to just get up and started, and they don't want to have to wait to get their information in the mail, and nothing's wrong with that. Every different strokes for different folks, okay? So it's all basically on how consistent you are, how bad you want it. I currently own 6 figures. I was able to make 6 figures a year for the last 3 years doing direct mail. It's all about how bad do you want it, if you're going to really treat it like a real business, or are you going to treat it like a hobby? It's really all up to you. So yes, you have to stay consistent in everything to see changes and difference. Exactly. Thank you, T. Just like working out. People want results. It took you 10 years to put on 100 pounds, but then you want to lose the 100 pounds in 2 weeks or in 2 months. It just doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way with a business either, okay? You have to be willing to put in the effort, put in the work, be consistent, and you will see results. And again, guys, we're going to go ahead and get off because the webinar is now in 3 minutes. So thanks so much, guys, for connecting with me, getting on this Facebook Live. If you are watching this on YouTube, thank you as well. And I will see you guys back in another day. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye-bye.